Hi, this is Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop in Seattle, Washington, and I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video showing the repair that was done on the lower bout of this guitar, where the wood had split out from the use of a twist drill bit. I ended up doing just a little tiny bit of finish spraying over here, and you can see that the color currently doesn't quite match. And what we're going to do, basically what the customer is going to do, because he's content doing it, is he's going to kind of expose that to the sun a little bit and kind of match the color over time. Ended up using a polyurethane because just happened to be a thing that I had laying around that was in satin and kind of matched. So yeah, it ended up coming out pretty well. There was some splintering, there was some wood that needed to come out and wasn't replaceable, and unfortunately, because this is maple, it's more visible than it would be otherwise. But yeah, it went pretty well. So anyway, just thought I would do a quick little video showing that off. This got a whole array of different kinds of clamps on it, through the basically kind of through the existing hole there, and you may have seen that little dot there where a tie block was used as well. And then the rest of it was basically going in and kind of excavating splintery wood and kind of removing stuff that wasn't going to lay right, and then you know, getting glue down in there, some yellow wood glue, and getting it as flat as could be done, and then sanding it and then finishing it. But yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll show you that again. Yeah, it's smooth now to the touch and looks pretty good. Looks about as good as could be expected. Anyway, this has been Drew Jones of Drew's Guitar Shop in Seattle, Washington. If you found this video cool, there are others like it on my channel. Thanks for watching.